There are a group of riders waiting on traffic light. Then this cop appears and blocks the rider's way.
Turn him off. Turn it off.
Touch my shit. Don't touch my fucking... I'll turn it off.
Turn it off.
I said don't touch... Give me my shit. Yo. What the fuck, bro? Yo. Yo, give me my shit.
Sit back
Did
on
you
the
see
bike.
me commit a fucking crime?
I got reports of you.
I don't give a fuck. Did you see me commit a fucking crime?
Who's the other one that just took off?
Did you, trooper?
You want to get arrested?
You want him? You really?
Turn around.
I want my fucking
You're gonna
key.
get him back.
I didn't do
He
shit.
just took off on me.
I
Doesn't matter.
didn't do shit.
What you do in this situation? This happens when a rider loses traction on high speed. That's how a jet bubble looks like. That's why I think twice before overtaking someone. This video is from RPS TV, and one day he's been riding on his motorcycle, then this happens.
Gotta be kidding me, man.
This car driver violates the red light and hit an innocent rider. Biker gets very angry on him and starts smashing his windows.
我要赔的钱上。
我已经慢了。
我们先移车一下啦，先移车，我先赔。
不要动！叫警察来！叫警察来！你赔啥小？我他妈前差就10几万，你要怎么赔啦？我已经慢了，你有没有看到我已经慢了？我他妈没打你刚好，干你娘嘞！他妈的太扯了啦！
大哥，不好意思啊，大哥，快点停一下啦！
叫警察来啦！干你娘嘞！他妈的！他妈！我他妈干你娘！护长来赔啊！我赔你，你赔我啦！我操你妈的啦！
This video is from Barney Riders when he slipped on a corner.
Interesting. He is. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that just happened. Front wheel slid out.
When a rider hits on a truck. This video is from Call Me Hell, when a truck driver yelling on him with no reason.
What is it? What, you flipping me off and shit? What, you think you're cool? What, man?
I wasn't flipping you off.
No, get the fuck on.
I wasn't flipping you off.
Comment down below guys if you ever gonna face a situation like that. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.